Okay, so we're in exercise 5-20, the extend command, and I showed you earlier that extend is located below trim on the modify panel of the home ribbon. Extend is basically the opposite of trim. We're using this red rectangle as the boundary that we extend to, and we extend the objects so that they intersect with that boundary. And the options are fairly similar. If you type EX, that's the shortcut for extend. Again, you can shift and select to switch. We can click on mode here and notice my extend option is quick. So I'll select quick and I can come through and quickly select what I want to extend. I could individually select. I could also use the fence method to very quickly extend everything into the box. So that's how extend works, and it's something that you'll be using often in your drafting.